conference that Mike Pence and President Trump are in, and they're with the CDC talking about a lot of different things, but the coronavirus is one of the topics of the discussion. They mentioned that they were buying masks. They had, I think it was 40 million masks that were readily available, and let's listen to what they have to say right here.
As the President said, we have more than 40 million masks available today. We've contracted now with 3M to 35 million more masks per month will be produced, and we're also going to be working with other manufacturers. In addition,
so we have 3M. That's going to be our money play next week. You heard it straight from them, Vice President Mike Pence. 3M is the company they have contracted with. It's no longer a rumor. It's actually happening. 3M is MMM. That is the ticker symbol for it. And if we look back, actually, if you just stay on the 1 hour, this is the high. This is where the market started dropping off, and it's been kind of up and down right here. But when it comes Monday, this is going to rocket. There's no doubt in my mind, because it's on the news now. They know that they have a government contract. They know that how many millions of masks they're going to be buying per month. So that's going to make this stock drop. That is the catalyst. So on Monday, what I plan to do, depending on where the stock is and stuff, I don't know which calls I'll buy or whichever, but I'm thinking that if we go back to a trade, I'm thinking that if you bought the 230 calls, the strike price, that's 150 right now, 149.24. So I think that that's probably going to drive this stock to, probably 200 to 225 in just a matter of, a few days. I think it will just jump that much. So let's just say that it moves 50 points, okay? So that would make it 200. So if you take this, if you buy at, say, $30 or 30 cents, ever how you say it, I say $30 a contract. And if this moves $10, that's going to put it, or at $50, that's going to make this go down to 180, and that's going to make those $30 calls worth about $310. Now that's an estimate, but usually that's how it will move. So if you could buy, say you bought $30 calls, say you bought 100 of them, that's $3,000. Then if you took that, then 100 at $310 is a whole lot more money. So that's going to be my play, depending on how the market opens. I want to go ahead and get in on those calls so that hopefully I can ride this. Now, as far as the July, that's a July 20th call. That'll give plenty of time to where, let's say it moves up, 100 points over the course of the next couple months. Well, if it does 100 points, then that's going to bring it down to about here. So that's going to make those calls worth about $2,600 or so, give or take. So if that is the case and it keeps on going and we get a market rally, that's going to drive 3M even higher. So if you buy the July calls and hold them out to, say, a month beforehand, then you can make a whole lot of money with that. Another play that I plan on doing is I usually buy at least 30 days out. And if you look, right here's one. It has 0 bids right now, and it has an ask of 51. You can buy this for probably $20 a call or so, maybe less. And then you could also get this one a lot lower. So if you bought this one, the bid is 16. So let's say you got it for $18, and it's a 200. If it moved 50 points, that's going to bring you down to right here. And that's going to make those $18 calls worth about $800. So there's the play right there. And the reason I go so far out of the money on this one is because we know that it's just going to spike. And when we open on Monday, all of these prices are going to change drastically. The premiums are going to go up. So it really kind of depends on how it opens and stuff for what we can do. So that is one good play. You could just watch it. Don't just jump in it blindly. You want to make sure that the trade is going the way you want. But based off of what Vice President Mike Pence said, when you get a catalyst like the government is buying into their company as far as buying a big orders like they're buying, 3M probably never sells that many masks at one time. And now they're selling what they were selling, plus now they've got the catalyst for this. So that is my good tip for you. Trade on your own. Don't take my advice, but look at everything, follow your own charting on this, and hopefully you make a lot of money off of the tip. Have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell everybody about our channel, and let's make it grow. Thank you.